On this trip, we are in Bowling Green, home of the Bowling Green University and their Falcons, to ride the Slippery Elm Rails to Trail corridor. The trail travels 13 miles from Bowling Green to North Baltimore, following what was once the Bowling Green Railroad, which opened in 1875. The trail also provides access to several Wood County parks. This is the northern terminus of the trail, where you can find parking at the Montessori School off Sand Ridge Road. Just a little farther south, there is additional parking and facilities at the Black Swamp Preserve off Maple Street. The trail gets you out of town quickly, passing beneath Route 6. There is a nice mix of open agricultural areas and shaded wooded sections along the route. This is another parking area near Portage Road. As you pass near Portage, you can spot the town's water tower in the distance. You may also encounter wildlife along the trail, including deer, as we did just before reaching Rudolph, known as the dearest little village in Wood County, with a population of about 400 people. Nearby, you'll also find Rudolph Savannah Park. If you're looking for more adventurous biking, there is an excellent bike park just off the trail in town. Another side trip is the Cricket Frog Cove Park off Freeman Road in Signet. Here you'll find walking trails and a peaceful fishing pond. This is an air station located along the route. Pretty farms and rural scenery can be found along the ride. We are now approaching the outskirts of North Baltimore, a town of approximately 3,400 residents. Here is the southern end of the trail, where you'll find plenty of parking and visitor facilities. Back in Bowling Green, we finished the day with a great sandwich at Call of the Canyon. That completes our ride on the Slippery Elm Trail. Thanks for watching.